start up the vehicle. Hopefully you can hear the whining noise. When I try to turn the steering wheel, I hear the noises coming louder, so I know, oh, the steering wheel pump will be the issue. For 2006 Honda Accord, it's going to be very easy. You just take this one screw. You see, this is the intake. For the output, you take those two. Those are all 10 millimeter. The torque is around 11 Newton. So it's very easy. You just take them off, change the O-ring. I believe if you have the O-ring, you can easily change them. After changing them, the noise is gone. We change the inline output O-ring.